Inside every functional sanitary pad, one narrow printed strip does the work. Not the top sheet, not the core, the chip. 3 layers, dust-free paper on top, the declared functional powder in the middle, non-woven carrier at the base, sealed, printed, slit to your width. Additives are declared per construction: anion, far infrared, magnetic, graphene, nano-silver, T-polyphenol, mugwort U. Typical constructions available from a single mugwort chip to a 5-additive multifunction stack. 1 additive or 5, we build to your specification. 65 GSM plus or minus 5. 6 standard print colorways. Slit to your width. Validate every function claim for your own market. Favorite Fab. Send us your chip specification with GSM additive stack. We make it better.